Bleach episode 5. But before we get into that, second channel for movies and TV shows, Patreon down in the description, where you can find everything I do early and you can support me at the same time. So let's not waste any more time and just get into this. 3, 2, 1, and... Yo, Bozo, shut up. Yo, if you touch my girl Inoue again, I'm gonna beat your ass. Oh. Who was that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Facts. He infuses reishi into you, right? Fear? Yeah, it's called fear. Everyone is afraid. The only people who aren't afraid are the ones who cannot feel fear. Like, literally. Yo, what's up with your eyes, bro? True. Yeah, you kind of have. When you have something you care about. I get what he's saying, but if you have nothing to lose, then fear goes away. Okay, so he can use their bankais against them. Okay, you guys are done. You are done. Did they just kill Byakuya? Because I'm gonna be so mad if they did that. That is true. There is nothing he can do. Bro, they're all dying. What is going on? Yeah, he's dead. Nah. Oh, the guy came back. Oh my god! He's still holding his sword though. Ooh, no. Oh, the symbolism of that. Yo, nah. This is too good. This is incredible. Hey, yo. Yo, they're getting smacked. We need a win, guys. We need a win. Come on. Hey, there we go. Right on cue. Come on. Well, he doesn't really need a bankai. Was trash. Yo, I love Kenpachi. Oh my god. Oh, he wasn't that bad. He transformed into me after all. Hey, yo, Kenpachi is just on another level. Do your hollow thing, bro. Do your hollow thing. I mean, Byakuya is just kind of dead already, so. Oh, so he was the one. Oh my lord! Oh my god! Okay. 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 Don't end the episode or I'm gonna be so pissed. I mean, that's lightning, isn't it? This is Yamamoto when he was younger. Yo, it looks so different. I can't see him as something other than his bold, old self. Ooh, look at that. That's so beautiful. Oh? Okay. Oh, my man was here. Was out here like legit loyal and stuff. Okay. Calm down, bro. Oh, he mad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I mean, don't get the old man mad. Oh my god, look at that. Yo. He legit evaporated him. Ooh, let's go. Oh my god. Yo, you guys are done. Hey, yo. Yeah, but what can you do? You have no bankais. They got a status effect from from the old man joining the the battle. It's gonna end, isn't it? At this point, I don't know what I'm even expecting, to be honest. Overall, this was a nice episode. It played with emotions a bit, you know. It went because the last two episodes, I think, the energy and the emotion was going down. It was going down steadily, and then you got a few bumps with what's his name, Kenpachi, with Kenpachi, and then it started shooting upwards with Genryu and him rocketing into battle, right? Yep, I've really enjoyed this episode and I can't wait for the next one. So until then, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.